right now. There are people earning thousands of dollars every single month who are secretly broke. And at the exact same time, there are ordinary people with average salaries quietly becoming rich without showing off anything online. So what's the difference between them? Intelligence? Talent? Luck? According to the psychology of money, the answer is psychology. And honestly, once you understand the ideas inside this book, you may never look at money, success, rich people, social media, or even your own financial decisions the same way again. Today we are talking about one of the most powerful and eye-opening books ever written about money, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. But this is not a normal finance book filled with complicated stock market language or boring business theories. This book is actually about human behavior. It explains why smart people still make terrible money decisions, why some people stay poor even after earning millions, why social media secretly destroys financial peace, and why emotions often control money more than intelligence does. In this video, we're going deep into the most powerful lessons from the book and connecting them to real life. Internet culture, modern success obsession, comparison, greed, fear, and the hidden psychological traps controlling millions of people today. Most people grow up believing money is mainly about intelligence. Society teaches us that rich people must simply be smarter than everyone else. But Morgan Housel explains something extremely important right at the beginning of the book. Financial success is not a hard science. It's a soft skill. That means money is less about IQ and more about behavior. And honestly, this explains so much about the real world. We've all seen intelligent people who still struggle financially. At the same time, we've seen ordinary people quietly build wealth over time. Why? Because behavior matters more than raw intelligence when it comes to money. And honestly, I think modern social media has made this problem even worse. Today, people constantly compare their financial lives to strangers online. Every day they see luxury cars, expensive vacations, designer clothes, giant houses, watches, private jets, and influencers pretending to live perfect lifestyles. Slowly, their brain starts believing that looking rich is more important than actually becoming financially secure. And this is one of the most dangerous psychological traps in modern society. Morgan Housel explains one of the deepest ideas in the book. Wealth is what you don't see. Think about that carefully. Most people think wealth means expensive things, but real wealth is usually invisible. It's money saved, investments growing quietly in the background, financial freedom, security, the ability to survive emergencies without panic, the ability to control your own time. But social media never shows invisible wealth, because invisible wealth is not flashy. Nobody posts screenshots of patience, discipline, savings, or smart long-term decisions online. And honestly, this lesson hit me hard because society rewards appearance more than stability. Many people would rather look rich than actually be rich. They buy expensive things to impress people they don't even know. They spend money trying to create an image instead of building security. And the craziest part is that the people they're trying to impress are often doing the exact same thing themselves. One of the most powerful stories in the book explains how getting rich and staying rich are completely different skills. Many people know how to make money, but very few know how to keep it. History is full of athletes, celebrities, lottery winners, influencers, and businessmen who earned millions and still lost everything. And honestly, this is one of the scariest parts of human psychology. Because making money often requires risk-taking, confidence, ambition, and optimism. But keeping money requires completely different qualities: humility, patience, caution, emotional control, and long-term thinking. This is why so many people become successful for a short time, but fail to maintain that success. Modern culture glorifies making money fast. Everybody wants overnight success, viral fame, quick businesses, fast luxury. But almost nobody talks about maintaining stability for decades. The book explains that survival is one of the most important financial skills in the world. Because if somebody can stay in the game long enough, compound growth eventually becomes powerful. And honestly, compound interest is one of the most insane concepts in existence. Tiny, smart financial decisions repeated consistently over years can completely transform someone's future. But here's the problem. Human beings naturally struggle with patience. We emotionally want rewards now. This is why bad financial decisions are so common. Spending money feels good immediately. Buying luxury gives instant emotional satisfaction. Showing off online gives instant validation. But saving and investing often feel boring because the rewards are delayed. And honestly, I think this explains why so many people secretly feel financially trapped today. Modern culture has trained people to prioritize appearance over peace. People go into debt trying to maintain lifestyles they cannot truly afford. They buy things to signal success while privately dealing with stress, pressure, anxiety, and insecurity. And social media keeps making the cycle worse because comparison never ends. One of the deepest lessons in psychology of money is about comparison itself. Morgan Housel explains that no matter how successful somebody becomes, there will always be someone richer. Somebody with a bigger house, more followers, more luxury, more status, more money. If people constantly compare themselves to others, they will never feel satisfied. And honestly, I think this is one of the biggest hidden reasons why so many people today feel unhappy even when their lives are objectively improving. Social media completely changed the scale of comparison. In the past, people mainly compared themselves to neighbors or classmates. Today, they compare themselves to celebrities, influencers, athletes, millionaires, and internet personalities every single day. Their brain constantly receives messages saying, "You are behind. You need more. You're not successful enough. Your life is not impressive enough." And honestly, that psychological pressure silently destroys peace. The book also explains the role of luck and risk in success. This part honestly changed the way I see rich people online. Society loves simple success stories because they're emotionally satisfying. People want to believe successful people completely controlled every outcome through hard work alone. But Morgan Housel explains that luck always plays some role in life, just like risk does. Two people can work equally hard and still get different results because life is unpredictable. Now, this does not mean hard work is useless. Hard work absolutely matters. But the book teaches humility. It reminds people not to blindly worship successful individuals, as if they fully control reality itself. Timing matters. Opportunities matter. Environment matters. Random events matter. And honestly, I think this lesson is extremely important today because internet culture often creates unrealistic expectations about success. Another incredibly powerful idea in the book is that the highest form of wealth is freedom. Honestly, I think this may be the deepest lesson in the entire book. Most people think money is about buying expensive things. But according to Morgan Housel, true wealth is control over your time, the ability to wake up and choose how you spend your life without constant financial fear. That idea completely changes the meaning of success. Because think about it, what's the point of becoming rich if somebody still feels trapped, stressed, exhausted, and emotionally miserable every day? The book explains that one of the greatest financial goals should be independence, not endless status competition. And honestly, this connects deeply to modern society because many people are sacrificing peace, health, relationships, and happiness trying to chase lifestyles designed mainly to impress strangers online. One of the most emotional parts of the book explains how greed can quietly destroy everything. Some people never feel like they have enough. No matter how rich they become, they keep chasing more and more. More status, more luxury, more attention, more validation. And history is full of wealthy people who lost everything because they could not stop taking bigger risks. Honestly, I think this lesson connects perfectly to internet culture today. Many people are no longer chasing happiness. They are chasing comparison-based success. They don't even know what enough means anymore. And that creates an endless cycle where peace becomes impossible. The psychology of money teaches that financial success is not about showing people how rich you are. It's about building a life where money gives you freedom, security, peace, flexibility, and control over your own future. And honestly, that's why this book feels so different from most money books online. It talks about emotions, insecurity, ego, fear, greed, patience, and human behavior itself. And maybe the most powerful lesson from the entire book is this: money is deeply emotional. Financial decisions are rarely just logical calculations. They are connected to childhood experiences, fears, insecurities, identity, social pressure, ego, and personal psychology. That's why two people can look at the exact same financial situation and make completely different decisions. Honestly, I think that's what makes this book so powerful. It doesn't just teach people how to make money. It teaches people how to think about money. And once somebody changes the way they think about money, they can completely change the direction of their future.